Assalamualaikum everyone and good morning. My name is TS Dr. Norhashimah binti Muhammad Saad. So I'm your lecturer for Digital Signal Processing BEET 3373. So here is my email, phone number and my location is at level 7 FKM building. The synopsis of the subject, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 7 chapters. The first chapter will cover introduction and review of signal and system, and then discrete time signal and systems, and next is the sampling theorem and also the signal in frequency domain, and the fourth chapter is difference equation and then Z transform and analysis and design of signal in digital filters, and finally is random signals. So what is this subject is all about? So as the learning outcome, this subject will introduce you the key concept of digital signal or DSP fundamentals from a theoretical and also the practical point of view. So what is digital signal? Okay, before this you have learned signal and system, right? In your second year. So this is the continuity of the analog and system, but in digital mode. So if before this you learn signal and system in analog, so now you will learn from the analog signal, it will be converted to digital, and we call it digital signal processing. So also in the subjects, you will analyze the DSP algorithm. So DSP is digital signal processing. Okay, you will analyze the algorithm by theory and practice by using computer-based and also MATLAB. And then we will be design and implement the discrete transformation and digital filtering, the transformation from time domain to frequency domain. And then also by completing the task and assignment given, I hope you will get something from the subject. Okay. So this is the syllabus. First chapter is introduction to DSP, and then second chapter is discrete time signal system, followed by the sampling theorem and frequency domain, and then Z transform, analysis and digital of design of digital filter, and finally the random signal. Okay. As for the subject assessment, so from the 100%, the assessment, the final exam will be 30, and the rest 70% comes from your quizzes, maybe 2 quizzes, your test, assignment, maybe 1 or 2 project for the assignment, and also lab test and lab session, lab report. You will have 5 lab sessions and 1 lab test. So the result matters. So how you want to get the best results? You must give your full commitment to the process, through this process of training and learning. And then what is important is set your goal. For example, set the highest goal. If you want to get A, you must give full commitment and focus, and also give good attitude and manners, and please respect your lecturers as well. So these are the references where you can get these references online from ebook. You can download it. Just Google. And for the teaching plan, what is the most important here is your lab. Okay, your lab in week 5, you will start the first lab 1. And then also test, your test will be given in week 11, and also lab test in week 13. Okay, so next is we will start the chapter 1, introduction to digital signal processing. So let's enjoy this subject and try to understand, and if you have any problem, you can contact me later. Okay, thank you. We'll go to the first chapter, Introduction to Digital Signal Processing.